Hello darkness, my old friend, come to talk to you again. 'Cause a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision was planted in my brain, still remains within the sounds of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestones, neath the halo of a street lamp, turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sounds of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, writing songs that voices never share. No one dare disturb the sounds of silence. Fools say, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might reach you, take my arms, I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. People bowed and they prayed to the neon god they made, and the signs flashed out its warning in the words that it was foreign. The words of the prophet are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sounds of silence.